This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to simplify a fraction using an easy method. Simplifying fractions means rewriting them in their simplest form, where the numerator and denominator share no common factors other than 1. This makes fractions much easier to understand and use in various mathematical operations. We will go through 3 straightforward steps to achieve this, ensuring your fractions are always presented clearly and concisely. The first step is to find the common factors. Take your fraction, for example, 6/12. List all the factors for 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Then list all the factors for 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now identify the largest number that appears in both lists. In our example, the greatest common factor for 6 and 12 is 6. Once you have found the greatest common factor, the next step is to divide. Take both the numerator and the denominator of your fraction and divide them by this greatest common factor. For our example of 6/12, we divide 6 by 6, which gives us 1. Then, we divide 12 by 6, which gives us 2. This results in the new fraction, 1/2. Finally, it is crucial to check your answer. Look at your new simplified fraction, 1/2. Do the numerator, 1, and the denominator, 2, share any common factors other than 1? No, they do not. This confirms that 1/2 is indeed the simplest form of 6/12. This quick check ensures you have correctly identified the greatest common factor and fully simplified your fraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.